Pydantic AI or LangChain. Two completely different approaches to building AI agents. But which one should you actually use? Let's break it down clearly and honestly. First, let's look at LangChain. LangChain has been around since 2022 and is one of the most widely used frameworks in the AI space. It's a full-featured ecosystem with pre-built chains, agents, memory systems, and hundreds of integrations. Think of it as an all-in-one toolkit designed to help you prototype quickly. Now, compare that to Pydantic AI. It's a newer tool, released in late 2024 by the team behind Pydantic, the same validation library used across many AI frameworks. But Pydantic AI isn't trying to be a full framework. It's a lightweight toolkit focused on type safety and structured outputs. Core philosophy. This is where the biggest difference shows. LangChain gives you everything out of the box: chains, memory, routing logic, and abstractions for almost any use case. That means you can build something quickly, but you're also working within a more complex system. Pydantic AI takes the opposite approach. No pre-built chains, no hidden abstractions, just clean Python code with strict schema validation. You build exactly what you need and nothing extra. Type safety and validation. This is where Pydantic AI really stands out. It's schema first, meaning every input and output is validated using Pydantic models. Errors can be caught early, even during development. If your agent is supposed to return structured data, it either does or it fails clearly. LangChain supports validation too, but it's not central to its design. Outputs can be more flexible, which is helpful for experimentation, but less predictable in production. Learning curve. LangChain can be powerful, but also complex. It has evolved quickly, which means multiple ways to do the same thing, and sometimes outdated patterns. For beginners, that can feel overwhelming. Pydantic AI is much simpler. If you already know Python and Pydantic, you're most of the way there. The code is more transparent, so it's easier to understand what's actually happening. Production readiness. LangChain is widely used and battle-tested. Large companies rely on it, and tools like LangGraph and LangSmith add powerful capabilities like workflow management and observability. But the abstraction layers can sometimes make debugging more difficult. Pydantic AI is designed with production in mind. Its structure makes testing easier, and the simpler architecture means fewer surprises when something breaks. It's newer, but built for long-term reliability in mind. Integration ecosystem. LangChain clearly leads in terms of breadth. It supports a wide range of models, tools, vector databases, and APIs. If you need an integration, chances are it already exists. Pydantic AI supports major providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and others, but keeps its ecosystem more focused. It prioritizes quality and stability over having everything. Use case fit. LangChain is ideal for rapid prototyping and experimentation. If you want to test ideas quickly or build demos fast, it gives you a huge head start. Pydantic AI is better suited for production systems, where control, reliability, and maintainability really matter, especially when structured data and clear logic are important. Closing thought. LangChain is like a Swiss Army knife, powerful, flexible, but sometimes complex. Pydantic AI is more like a precision tool, simple, focused, and built for clarity. Neither is one universally better. They're designed for different types of workflows. If this helped you understand the difference, feel free to like and subscribe for more clear, no-fluff AI breakdowns. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which one fits your workflow better?